Once you get to 5,000 followers, wow, clap for yourself, you have done well, because you have reached to one of the Facebook requirements you must reach before you can start earning money. You have to celebrate it. Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. You are welcome to my Facebook page. Depending on the space you are watching this video right now, is it on YouTube, Facebook? A lot of people has been asking this particular question: how can I make money with my videos? Some people has called me on phone, some have texted me asking me same questions. How can I make money with my videos I post on Facebook, I post on everywhere on social media? How can I make money out of it? I've been replying so many people, explain to them how they can make money with their videos. How many people will I answer to and explain this one after another? I told so many of them that you hold on, I'm going to make a video about this. So people like Emmanuel, if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I think you get notification about this video. Yes, and watch it please. And Osei, please, I couldn't pronounce it sounding well. There are a lot of people here that I couldn't, reply to them. How can I, texting the whole thing? In fact, doing the video, I think is the best for everyone. So creating videos is actually good. It will help you to make some cool money. So it's good to create videos and also your aim to earn money from those videos you create. But the question now is, how can you make money from those videos you are creating? Remember that everyone can make videos and make money on Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. No matter how busy you are in your business, in your workplace, after work, when you come back home, you can record a video and post, you will make money from it. Or you can arrange for your families to be doing videos and posting. Since they know how to make money from it, your children can start doing it. Instead of your wife staying at home doing nothing, she can be making money from video creating. You get, maybe you are a businessman and say, oh, this video is not for me. It's applicable to you too. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button down below and turn the notification bell on so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And also give your comment below. Yeah, share the videos too. So before you can make money with your videos, you have to create a platform where you can be posting those videos. It's either you create a Facebook. You must have Facebook. Yes. So all your videos must be on Facebook. Let's start with Facebook before we come to YouTube. Alright, so you must have Facebook before you can start earning money with your videos on Facebook. After having Facebook profile, you must also have Facebook page, what is called Facebook page. Without Facebook page, you cannot earn money with your videos. After creating Facebook itself, which is the Facebook profile, then you have to create what is called Facebook page. So it is through this Facebook page you can be posting your videos and earn money from it. What is different between Facebook profile and Facebook page? Okay, Facebook profile is the Facebook you are now using now. If you are using Facebook profile to watch this video on Facebook, maybe you are watching this video on Facebook. Now, that your Facebook you are using to watch my video is called Facebook profile, where you can add people as friends. People can add you as their friends. It's called Facebook profiles. You can add people as your friends there, and people can actually send you friend requests. Then you accept. You can send them friend requests. They can accept. You become friends. And on Facebook profile, you can only have maximum of 5,000 friends. But Facebook page is different from Facebook profile. You can create Facebook page from your Facebook profile. So Facebook page looks different from Facebook profile. Facebook page, people can only follow you or like your page. That is the difference between Facebook profile and Facebook page. So it is through this Facebook page that you can be uploading your videos, and when it gets to monetization, you start earning money from your videos. Once you create a Facebook page, do all the necessary settings. If you want me to teach you how to create a Facebook page, Let me know in the comment section below so I can also do the video. After you must have created your Facebook page, then do the settings, everything, your name, you'll be answering in the Facebook page. Then the next thing is to start uploading videos. And before you start earning money from those videos, you must at least have a lot of views, people viewing your videos. At least Facebook requires, their recent requirement is that you meet up with 60,000 watch hours. Listen what it means by having 60,000 watch hours. Maybe you upload video of 4 minutes. You upload videos of 4 minutes video in your page. Then Sonny, I came to your page and I saw the video, 4 minutes video, and I watched the video from beginning to the end, 4 minutes. Another person came and watched from the beginning to the end. That minute that person used to watch that video, the minutes, they will count it till 1 hour. Then you have to have it 60,000 hours. Are you getting it now? You upload videos of 4 minutes, and I came to watch the video 4 minutes. That is 4 minutes. Okay, let's use video of 1 hour for you to understand it. You upload video that is up to 1 hour. 1 hour, yeah. So I came to and watch it from the beginning to the end, 1 hour. Another person came to watch the video from the beginning to the end. That is 1 hour. Another 1 hour, right? Plus my own, that is 2 hours. Another person came and watched from the beginning to the end. That is another 1 hour, making it 3 hours. So like that, in all your videos that you uploaded on that page, all the hours people used to watch the videos, the minutes, everywhere, all of the minutes, the hours, the second people watch it, Facebook will calculate it. If it is up to 60,000 hours, that one you have reached to that requirement, 60,000 hours. Then you must have, before it used to be 10,000 followers that you have on Facebook before you qualify. But now Facebook has brought it down to 5,000. That is the good news. You need to have 5,000 people following your page. And mind you, it's not when you get to the 5,000 followers and 60,000 watch hours, then you run and go and monetize. No, you have to wait. At least let your page reach, like, let's say 20,000 followers, 30,000 followers, and your views will go up very well. Your video will carry a lot of traffic. Your page will carry a lot of traffic. When I mean traffic, once you upload video like this, before 1 hour time, you see people coming to watch it, commenting, liking, giving their like button, reacting on that video you upload. A lot of people start reacting on it, started commenting, started viewing. Let's say within a day, your views, like your video start trending. That is when you start making money from that video. Very cool money, good money. But if you monetize when you are just 5,000 followers, because Facebook said that when you get to 5,000 you monetize, and when you get to 60,000, although it's true, but you have to wait when the followers rise more, like 20,000 at least, then your views goes up at least, then you monetize it, start getting money from it. So don't be wasting your videos. Any videos you make, create a Facebook page, upload those videos. Another one is, don't upload videos that is not yours. This one is very serious. Any video that you see the video you are watching right now, I made it myself. It's my content. So that is what Facebook and YouTube requires from you. You must upload video you create by yourself. You video yourself talking or doing something. You must not upload videos that someone creates. That one, you cannot make money from someone's video. unless you use that someone video and put meaning to that video, that you change everything about that video. Maybe you'll be inside of the video talking. Facebook will see that you are talking live, but you are using someone video. At least you change everything about that video. You get that is when you also get money from the video. But when you download a video from anywhere, any source, anywhere you want, download the video, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere knows where you downloaded it from. They have machine, they check where this is where you took the video from. So you cannot run away from them. So do not upload someone's video on your page. Always upload video that you make by yourself. Some people used to ask this question: what is monetize? What is meaning of monetization? Yes, monetization is a monetary earning from your videos. The money you are earning from the video you are making. Like, is either Facebook or YouTube will be paying you from the video you are making. Yes, that is the meaning of monetization. I have received so many questions like that too. Another thing you should also have in mind, before you post your video on Facebook, you must edit the video after making the video, because no one is perfect, 100% perfect. Like, you will be talking and doing something, acting without making any mistake, without carrying your camera like this. That time you took your camera like this, you have to edit it and cut it. You see, so there are some mistakes you have to remove from your videos before you post it. You can't just make video and post it on Facebook or on YouTube. So you have to edit the video. If you also want me to teach you how to edit videos and the app you need to use to edit those videos, let me know in the comment section. If I see the comment in the comment section, I will surely do the video too. So it's very simple to create videos. One, remember, you must have Facebook page. You create the Facebook page from your Facebook profile. You create it, or someone can create it for you and set it for you once it's being set. Yes, so you start uploading videos that you created by yourself. That is when you will make money, not someone video. Just have in mind that you start sharing that video. Once you upload it, you share it to your Facebook profile. Share it, tell people to share, so that when people share, another person share your videos, it gets to so many people's hands. Your video will circulate and people will start watching your videos, and you start getting views, and at the same time you start getting followers. So once you get to 5,000 followers, wow, for yourself, you have done well, because you have reached to one of the Facebook requirements you must reach before you can start earning money. You have to celebrate it. You have to celebrate it once you get to 5,000 followers. You have to start celebrating, because Facebook will soon start paying you. Another one is when you eventually get to 60,000 watch hours. Wonderful! Congratulations in a big way, because right now Facebook will start paying you automatically. You get. So what Facebook needs from me is 5,000 followers and 60,000 watch hours, which can be 100% possible on Facebook, because Facebook is not like YouTube. People watch Facebook very well. They are not defying Facebook rules. We are always following their rules. You will not post nakedness. You will not post video where you are cursing and insulting people and saying a lot of insults in the video. You won't post video like that. These are a few things you need to know. Just start posting videos. Just create your Facebook page and start posting. We have learned about Facebook. So next time we'll talk about YouTube, how you can start earning money on YouTube, and which platform is the best earning money. Is it YouTube or Facebook? If I may ask you, which platform do you think that earns money a lot? Facebook or YouTube? Some people say that TikTok give money. TikTok doesn't pay. TikTok can make you popular. Yes, TikTok will popularize you, make you become popular, and people will start following you on Facebook or YouTube. TikTok doesn't pay a lot. It's small thing they pay by small money they pay on TikTok. So don't don't think that TikTok pays. Whenever you see people coming on TikTok, it's because they want to become popular, so that they can direct people's attention to the platform that actually pays, which is YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. You get. So if you have been wasting your time on TikTok thinking that money will come out, no. I used to tell people this, but so many people that doesn't know anything about content creating will come here and be arguing with me, telling me TikTok pays, TikTok pays. I laugh. TikTok doesn't pay. They pay, but it's just small coin. Their paying is not even encouraging. But why people are rushing into it is because to make you popular, and you direct the attention to your Facebook page or your YouTube account. The two platforms you focus on if you want to make money with your videos is YouTube and Facebook page. So next video we'll talk about how you can be uploading videos on YouTube. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, just subscribe, because the video will be dropping. If you don't subscribe, you will not know when it drops. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Sunny Media. If you are watching on Facebook, I would like you to go to my YouTube, because some of the videos will be going there. I will not come to Facebook. Come to my YouTube channel, subscribe there, turn the notification bell on, so anytime I drop the video, you get notified and watch it. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.